Let's build a Netflix app in minutes using AI. No complex setup, no coding stress. Let's do it. Alright, so first things first, let's get our environment ready. Open up your browser and just type Google Antigravity. Hit enter and you'll see a bunch of results. Now go ahead and click on the first link that appears at the top. Once the website loads, you'll see a download option. Click on Download for Windows and then select Download for x64. Now your download will start. It might take a bit depending on your internet speed. I'm not going to wait here because I've already downloaded it. Once it's done, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click on the downloaded file. You can close the folder now. The setup wizard will open. Just follow along. Check the box for I accept the agreement and click Next. I'm going to stick with the default installation location, so just click Next again. And yeah, just keep clicking Next. Next. Now hit Install. The installation process will begin. It might take a little time, so I've sped up this part. And once it's done, just click Finish. Now Antigravity is successfully installed on your system. Now let's move forward and actually build our Netflix app. First, go ahead and create a new folder and name it Netflix app. Once that's done, open up Antigravity. After it opens, click on Open Folder and select the folder we just created, Netflix app. Once you select it, you'll see a prompt asking for trust. Just click on Yes, I trust the authors. Now we're inside Antigravity. Let's quickly understand the interface. On the chatting side, we have two modes of development. The first one is planning mode, where the agent plans everything before executing any task. And the second one is fast mode, where it just jumps in and builds things quickly without much planning. We also have a model toggle, where you can switch between different models based on your preference. Now let's actually build something. In the chat, type Create a Netflix app that feels real using React and hit enter. Now you can see it has started generating the entire app. This process can take some time, so I'm going to speed up the video. 10 minutes later, and there you go. Our Netflix app is ready. You can see all the generated code right here. Now let's open it in the browser. And wow, this actually feels like a real Netflix app. You can scroll through it, explore the UI. Everything is working pretty smoothly. Of course, there are some minor improvements needed, but overall, this is almost perfect. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.